What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some classic taco salad. So, let's stop talking and let's get to rocking. That's right, buddy. Classic taco salad. Now, this takes me back, man, because this is actually my dad's recipe. My dad, he's one that pretty much taught me everything I know about cooking. Him and his mother, my grandmother, really taught me everything that I know. All the standards, all my good stuff that I keep there inside of my heart. So, this is, this is my whole near and dear. And I haven't had it in a long time. I've been craving it, so I figured, what the hell, why not make it today? That's the crazy thing about being an adult. You can do what you want, kind of. So, first thing that you got to do, I'm looking around, I'm sorting out things with my brain. Ground beef. We got to make some ground beef. And you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, once again, you've left me out of cooking the meat. Do you just not want me to come over anymore? No, that's not it. I just, and you know what I'm going to say. I ain't got time for that shit. So, I went ahead and made that meat on my own. And that burp too. Whew. Yeah, kind of. So, we got that ground beef today, just 70, whatever the hell it is, the cheap. And I went ahead and put it down in that pan, and I got to breaking like turbo. So, once you get your meat broke up, let it go for about 5 minutes or so, I would say. And then you want to go ahead and flip it over. Let it stew for a while. Put a lid on there if you got it. If not, the hell with it, baby. Just let it roll. And then, once you get it all done, you want to drain off the grease because we don't want no John Travolta in there. And we're going to bring it back over here and we're going to get some taco seasoning. Now, today, I just went ahead and got the taco seasoning packet from the old Wally World. You can use your own seasonings if you want. You can make your own blend, but you know me, I ain't got time for that shit. So, I went ahead and just used the packet today, and you got to shake that thing. Shake, baby, shake, and then you dump it in there and sprinkle that good flavor around. Stir that up until your taco meat gets a real good color on it, sir, and you can smell that sweet flavor. And when you do, you want to start your meat on high, but when you get to the seasoning part, turn it down or off, just to kind of mix in and get that flavor, but don't burn the bottom, baby. So, once you get your meat done, let's move along to my favorite part. It's always been my favorite part. The beans, man, because, beans, the musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you, So, these beans though, this is the special part about it, and this is what kind of makes it a family recipe. These beans were passed down from my Aunt Poochie, I believe. I'll have to ask my dad. And you're saying, Aunt Poochie? Well, yeah, my family is full of nicknames. You got Aunt Poochie, Uncle Ollie, Uncle Googie, Grandma Tootie, my brother Punchy, and of course you got Old Blackie. So, we're just carrying on the tradition, baby, that family tradition, like Hank Williams Jr. So, what you want to do is get you some dark red kidney beans. Make sure they're dark red kidney beans, not no light red kidney bean. We can't even say it because we don't want it. So, get you some dark red kidney beans. And the secret ingredient, the sauce, baby. The sauce is the boss. And today, the sauce is going to be classic Catalina. That's good stuff. And you're saying Catalina on beans? Trust me, brother, it's good. Go ahead and pop it up again. And take that stuff, and you want to sprinkle it down in there. Not sprinkle, but pour. With a lot of pour, too. Speaking of which, mango, good. Put you some of that sauce down in there. Don't worry about stirring it just yet. But just put it on top because you want it to soak down. It's going to make them beans sweet, 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 sweet. Good. So, put that in the microwave. 1 can of beans, I would say maybe, a minute and 30 seconds or something. Then you want to take it out and stir it up, boy. And like I said, these beans get me in trouble because the next day, I walk around and it sounds like Donald Duck's behind me, if you know what I mean. Whack. So, we're going to get the beans, and then we've got all our other ingredients set out. So, let's go ahead and do her, baby. Yeah. First thing that we got to do in our bowl here, we're going to get some tortilla chips. And these are just some old Santitas white tortilla chip. Now, like I say here, you don't want to put too many because this is just kind of the base, baby. The boom, ba doom, 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 doom. And you don't want it to fill the whole bowl. You want some good in there. So just a few of those. We're gonna take our magic fingers and crunch like the old Tootsie Roll Al. So, you remember that thing? He never could make it to the end, poor soul. So we've got that crunched up. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that meat. Sweet, sweet meat. Put it right on top of there, baby. And I like a big old heap and helping, but you can do whatever you want to do, baby. It's your world. Live it, love it, and do it. So, next thing. Let's go ahead and add some lettuce, baby. Lettuce. Make some taco salad. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Not too much on mine. You can do yours however you want. It's your stuff. You're gonna eat it, not me. Then I would like a little cheese, if you please. Today, just some Fiesta blend, because why not be festive? So we're gonna sprinkle some of that on top. There again, at your discretion. Good. And last, let's go ahead and add some tomato. Now, my dad would always use a fresh tomato. Dad, I'm sorry, but I had to get some diced tomato with green chili tonight, just to give it a little spice and to save me some time, because I ain't got time for this shit. So, I'm gonna go ahead and keep sprinkling. Let's do. And then, how about a little beans on there? And actually, I should have added the beans first. Beans, beans, the musical fruit. They stink so good, they taste so sweet. So, this is stupid. Alright, now we've got our taco salad made, and like my friend, rest his soul, John Witherspoon would say, yeah, boy! So, that looks good to me. We're going to take another deep look. We're going to take a sight, and then we're going to get ready to have a big, bad bone bite tonight of that taco salad, baby. Good! Alright, baby, the time has come. The taco salad is done, and I'm having that first bite for me. So, get my spoon here and cruise on down memory lane. Take this bowl up a little higher because I know I'm going to make a messy. Come on now. Come on now. Man. I'm right back home, man. Right back home in my mind. So, the thing about this, man, you getting the classic taco flavor from the taco seasoning, the chips, cheese. Those beans, man, they take it to a whole nother level. And then, of course, you've got the spice from the tomatoes and the acidity. And, not to mention, a little mango, too. Ah, it's good. A cheers to that taco salad. And a cheers to all of you. I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that taco salad. And I've got to go, man. I have got to go. I think I'm going to turn on the Golden Girls and just enjoy. So, I'll see y'all next time. Ah.